What's up to our family? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you want to join this family, like this video, subscribe, and show channel some love. I'm 2FlyB, and today I got another sneaky review for y'all today. You know I love me some Balenciaga. Let's go and hop straight into it. Alright y'all, as y'all see by the box, Balenciaga. My bad about my box being messed up. I be trying to squeeze shoes in everywhere, bro. Get messed up. Y'all see the tag. These are the speed runners, graffiti speed runners, in the color black and white. So let's go and get into it. As we open the box, this is what we greeted with. Have your Balenciaga authentication card, Balenciaga drawstring bag. All right. Then get into the shoes. Let's go ahead. Now I've worn these. I had these on one time. I think I had them on for like a couple hours. So still kind of DS, not for real, but you feel me. You catch my drift. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay. Here's the shoes. Thumbnail real quick. You know I gotta get a thumbnail. But alright, here go the shoe. This is just a quick 360 of it. Now let's get close into detail. So you got your prime knit up here. All this is knit material. The whole upper shoe, the whole shoe itself. In the front, you got this little right here, little grip, not too much to it. In the back, you have Balenciaga. See the name right there. On this side, the midsole is all black. Absolutely nothing on the other, absolutely no color over here. And on this side, you have Balenciaga, but they have it in the graffiti style, and it's upside down. So really, you see the B, the A, the L, you see? So it's upside down graffiti on one side of the shoe, so on the front. And y'all know I have reviewed a pair of speed runners before, but them was the other ones that was not graffiti, and it had the name on the toe somewhere. And up here is nothing on the toe, nothing on the whole upper. The right side of it is all black, and on this side you just have the graffiti print in white. Up on the bottom, you just have this tag right here that says Balenciaga. Everything else all black, nothing else to it. And that's the left side of the shoe. As we pick up the right side of the shoe, you have the upside down Balenciaga print and graffiti as well. Upside down Balenciaga on the right hand side. Front, nothing as well. Whole upper, nothing as well. All prime knit, like I said. In the back, you do have the Balenciaga, the word, got the branding right there. Inside, all black, no color at all. Up under the shoe, same, you just have Balenciaga right here. Whole shoe is black, and it do come up past your ankles. Alright, just so y'all can get a look of it again. Let me see. Now I personally do like the speed runners. I personally like them. I feel like they're a great shoe for like just throwing on. If you just gotta run some quick errands. Your feet not too hot. Feet is lightweight. This is a very lightweight shoe. I did get a size 43 in these, which converts to US size 10. And I think the shoe is worth it only if you want it. So if you're looking to get this shoe, I say yeah. But I also say if you have the option to, if you have the time to, go check these out in person. Try them on first before you order online. If you plan on ordering online, it's good to try these on first just to see, because I'm a 9.5, but I got a size 10 in these. Sometimes the 9 felt okay, but at times it didn't, which is why I got the 10, and these is fit me perfect. I do feel like I got a little bit extra room, but like it's perfect. So I do recommend that you guys thinking about this shoe, definitely go try it on in person before you order it. And that's it for the review. Wasn't a long review at all. Hold on. Yeah, so y'all, that's it for the review. It wasn't a long review at all. Wasn't too much to the shoe. It's it's a slip-on shoe. You literally just put your foot in it, slip right in. Now I'm finna get into the how to style portion. I'm finna put these on feet, do it on feet, and a how to style portion. If you guys enjoyed this video, like this video, subscribe, share this video. Let's stay connected. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at 2FlyB, Snapchat FlyManB. My business email is in the description below. Make sure y'all take care of y'allself, stay prayed up, and I'm gonna get with y'all next video. Be smooth. Alright y'all, so paired it up. Got the shoes on. Up under it I put some nice socks on, put some chrome socks on. Coming on up. Got some black jeans on. Coming on up. Chrome hearts tee. So I got the socks on to go with it. Shoes is real comfortable. I like how they look. Flexible, all that. On this side, look, if you do an all black fit, a little hints of white. It looks real good. You want to set the look off for sure. Get you a pair of sunglasses. You see I got some accessories on. So accessories, only thing I'm missing is sunglasses, and this is the fit. So how y'all like the fit? Get over with me.